Today, we follow Big Dave, Canada's most courageous eater/voluntary food victim, as he rumbles toward Africano Shawarma on Wellington. He's armed with one camera, zero self-control, and a shawarma-shaped dream. Dave eats returns with another episode of Culinary Chaos, brought to you by the man whose belt fears commitment. Welcome to Dave Eats, the worst food review channel on YouTube. Buckle up, the sodium ride begins now.
Get to cooking, you gon' find you. It's right through review. It's Dave Eats too.
All right, let's go over there. Their parking lot was completely full when I was over there. I was going to park in the old seniors building here, but there's security there because it's empty. They're doing some renovation in there. So I'm over here. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Rough part of town right here. Just want to make sure everyone knows I wouldn't be coming down here to go to this place after dark if they're open. Yeah, let's go check it out now. Looks like it was a really nice bike to me. Shit's rampant down here, just saying. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, good for you.
Well, is a chicken wrap, is that like a shawarma?
Yep.
All right.
You want one?
Yeah.
Everything on in hot sauce?
Hot sauce,
Light?
onions, tomatoes, garlic sauce, cilantro, pickled turnip. No? that would be perfect.
Lettuce, onion, pickles.
Yes, no lettuce, no pickles, no hummus, just hot sauce and garlic sauce and
No
tomatoes,
lettuce?
onions. Pardon me?
No lettuce, you say?
No lettuce, yeah.
No tomatoes?
Tomatoes, onions, yes,
Pickles?
they're good. Pickle the turnip, yes, please.
5 minutes.
No problem, take your time. How long have you guys been here?
8 days now.
8 days? How's it going? Pretty good?
Last Friday.
Right?
Not too bad so far. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
About 10 minutes later.
How do you want to pay cash or debit?
Cash, please.
$10, please.
Yep, no problem. Your food truck's very nice. It's
It's new, but
brand new. Thank you.
you leave around here?
No. I just passed you and saw it here, and I thought, well, I got to go and try this place out. So. Awesome.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Have a great night.
See you again,
Nice to
okay?
meet you.
Yeah.
Welcome back, Dave Eats. Well, today we're at Africano Shawarma and
Adashe.
I don't know.
Adashe.
There was another word. Agra something.
Adashe.
Anyways, this is an African shawarma place from what it looks like to me. We ordered the shawarma. What is this, another episode of Rate My Shawarma? That's been 2 years since we've done Rate My Shawarma. Can you believe it? Let's have a look at this thing. It takes a couple minutes to get made. I did get it the same way, or asked for it the same way. You may have heard I asked for it 4 or 5 times. The same way that I normally get them. So I finally just said, I'm sure it'll be fine whatever you put in there. We asked for it the way we always got them on Rate My Shawarma. Onion, tomato, parsley, pickled turnip, garlic sauce, and hot sauce. Light hot sauce. Super nice guys. Brand new trailer. This was $10. Tax in. Let's take a bite. So I did get pickles. The wrap is nice. The chicken, let me just get a piece of it out here. I thought it might have been a little tough, but it isn't when I get it out. I asked for a light hot sauce. I'm pretty happy about that because she's pretty warm. Heavy hot sauce would be bad. Just saying, bad. All in all, I think it's not bad. This is a rough section of town here. So, personally, I'm not going here after dark. But hey, anyways, what do you think? Africano Shawarma? Would you go here? Like, comment, subscribe. Big Dave!